Want to know how you can clean your car glass to perfection? Well, keep on watching. First, the tools we'll need: some form of scrubber or washcloth, a proper car squeegee, and a couple of lint-free detailing towels. A proper car detailing squeegee will be short in width and have a long, flexible rubber blade which will contour to the curvature of the glass. Start off by lifting up the wiper blades, getting them out of the way so that we can do a proper job. Starting with the exterior of the windshield, use your scrubber or washcloth soaked in water with a small drop of dish soap. Just scrub as far across as you can, and using a dry squeegee, squeegee across in a horizontal motion. This will mimic the horizontal curvature of the windshield glass. Be sure to wipe the squeegee blade with each pass. Next, just detail around the edge of the glass. Now just repeat the process for the other side. Should you find that you're leaving any water on the glass, the most likely cause is that you're putting an uneven pressure on the squeegee, or you could be holding the squeegee too flat, causing a smearing effect. Along with detailing the edges, you can look for any mistakes and give it a quick buffing out. Side door glass is curved as well, but it's usually curved along the vertical plane, so we'll have to change up our squeegee technique. I like to use the corner of the squeegee to cut out the top edge, as well as one side. Now, because of the vertical curvature of the glass, we have to squeegee down in a vertical pattern. And just like after squeegeeing the windshield, on the side door glass we'll want to detail the edges as well. For cleaning the inside of the doors, again the curvature will be in a vertical pattern, but it'll be curved inwards instead of curved outwards. The glass on the rear of the vehicle is usually quite similar to the windshield in that it's curved across the horizontal plane, meaning you'll squeegee side to side. Finally, we'll detail around the edges of the rear glass. On some vehicles where you have a rear wiper, you'll have to do a little extra detailing in and around the wiper mount. The inside of the windshield is usually the hardest piece of glass to clean. Besides regular dirt buildup, there's also oil buildup as a result of the sun beating down on the dashboard, heating up the plastics which emit a slight oil that settles on the glass. After scrubbing the glass, squeegee from one side to the other, tracing around any obstacles. Now do be aware that it is going to get a little trickier to get a good squeegee pass from side to side on the inside of your windshield, because the angle of the glass to the dashboard gets tighter and tighter the further you go down. So this is the reason why we have a second detailing towel. With this nice fresh towel, we can wipe down the bottom of the glass, the area where we couldn't get with a squeegee, as well as doing any detailing around the edges of the glass. But you can be sure the middle of the glass has been cleaned to perfection. So now to inspect our work. Front windshield, very nice. Side glass, beautiful. Rear glass, The other side, check. And on the inside, crystal clear, beautiful view, and safe for driving.